By the time you're done with watching this tutorial, you'll get your wax, your braids, your rattle comb, because you're going to be doing your own two fitting braids at the comfort of your home. Okay, and today I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy. This style should take you roughly 45 minutes and you are done. Okay, so I'm going to start off by parting my hair right at the middle, and then after that I'm going to take my scrunchie, use it to secure one side of the hair to get it out of the way. Okay, so right about now I'm just molding my hair into place, and I'm using my Bamsi Wax to make sure that we don't have so many flyaways going on, because again we didn't get to straighten our natural hair. Okay, so hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yanatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. Now that you're here, please be sure to subscribe, stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials. So loves, I started off by sectioning a little piece, okay, at the front part of my hair, just like you guys can see in the video. So I'm going to start by just controlling my natural hair before I start feeding in the pieces of extension, of which I'm going to feed in 13 pieces of extension onto this little section that we have divided here at the front part. So I'm going to let you guys watch the video, and I'm hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful. If you will, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget also to share this video to your friends and family, and I will appreciate all your support. Okay love, so now that I'm done, I'll just go straight ahead and do some cornrow. I'm going to just cornrow my natural hair all the way to the very back, so just keep on watching and see the next step. And I'm really hoping that you're going to find this tutorial helpful, which I feel like it's super easy for any beginner. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below if you're going to give it a try. Okay, so once I'm done with the cornrowing my natural hair right at the very back, I'll just go ahead and take my thread and needle, and I'm going to sew that in, because you don't want the hair to be popping out of the braid extension, right? So loves, right about now I'm just attaching my braid extension onto our cornrow, okay, and then we're going to sew it in using my thread and needle. It is so easy. Like, okay, this is one of the most easiest ways you can do your feeding braids. If you don't know how to, grip, your natural hair, then this should be your go-to, method when it comes to now doing your own feeding braids. And make sure that you be careful. You don't want to hurt your scalp using the needle. So at this point, I was very careful not to hurt, myself with the needle. So loves, if you're going for the same hairstyle, the 2 feeding braids, then 1 pack of braid extension is just pretty much okay. So I just split it into 2, and from each halves I divided the hair into 13 pieces, of course from the smallest all the way to the biggest size. So 1 pack is just more than enough. It's very affordable, super easy to install, and just like I've mentioned earlier, this hairstyle should take you at least 45 minutes, at most 1 hour, and you're good to go. The process is pretty much repetitive because we're going to be doing the same thing on this other side of our hair. So you're going to start off by splitting your natural hair, just taking a very small portion, okay, at the front part of your natural hair. Of course, you want to secure the rest part of your natural hair because you don't want it to get into the way, right? And then after that, you're just going to do the feeding braids, and just like I've mentioned, I'm going to feed in 13 pieces of braid extension, and that is just about it, guys. I'm hoping that you have found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, because I feel like it's super easy. You're not going to take so much time just to do your feeding braid, and I believe that you have learned a thing or two. And if you did, please let me know in the comment section down below. Leave your thoughts, and your comments are very much welcome. And please help me share this video to your friends and family, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So loves, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video, so just keep on watching and see how this hair turn out. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next one. This was basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching this video till this very point. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye for now, and take care.
You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love.